Rudy, come get more snow over here. No, snowmobile. Snowmobile. Rudy, why are you calling him?
What's that?
The snowmobile?
Yeah.
Do you need him?
Yeah.
Why? Is it fun?
This?
Okay, shovel some more snow with your shovel. Get some more snow. Scoop it up.